Welcome to our channel. We are Technic Force and we help grow your business online. Please hit the subscribe button to get more updates. How to use WhatsApp channels. A WhatsApp channel is found in a new tab called Updates where you will find status and channels you choose to follow. Meta launched WhatsApp channels in India and over 150 countries. The channels are separate from the chats with family, friends, and communities. And who you choose to follow is not visible to other followers. WhatsApp said it also protects the personal information of both the channel admins and the followers. What's the difference between a WhatsApp channel and a group? Just be wondering, how is a channel different from a WhatsApp group or community channels? Serve as a one-way broadcast tool enabling admins to share texts, photos, videos, stickers, and polls. This is quite similar to the broadcast channels on Instagram or Facebook. They can feature anything. How to join a channel. How to join a WhatsApp channel. You can join a channel in two ways: through invite links sent in chats or posted online, or using the Find Channels feature. WhatsApp is developing a searchable directory where you can find channels by entering keywords or names of creators that interest you. Admins can choose whether to make their channel discoverable in the directory or not. WhatsApp users can view a channel section where the channels that they follow will be shown as a list. Under the channel section, the users can view the latest updates or posts shared by the channel. You can view the number of posts that you haven't read yet from that channel and how long ago it was posted. In this example, this channel shows the latest post with a preview, and there are 3 unread posts from 10 minutes ago, so you will know if there are messages from the channel that you haven't read yet. Channels that have a verified badge will have more reliable information to get updates from. WhatsApp users can view a list of channels in the section. Each channel will show a separate window where the users can browse the posts that are shared inside a channel. If you are a channel admin, your contact details and profile photo will not be shown to the followers. Following a channel will not reveal your phone number to the admin or other followers. Who you decide to follow is your choice and it's private. WhatsApp has an enhanced directory where you can find the channels to follow. The directory is automatically filtered based on your country. You can also view channels that are new, most active, and popular based on number of followers. The users can react using emojis to give feedback and see a count of total reactions on a channel post. How you react will not be shown to followers. The WhatsApp channel admins will be able to make changes to their updates for up to 30 days, when the platform automatically deletes from its servers. Whenever a user forwards an update to chats or groups, it will include a link back to the channel so people can find out more. WhatsApp has also welcomed celebrities, sports teams, thought leaders, and organizations, and some of whom have launched their WhatsApp channels. Channels can become a platform where organizations make their announcements to users. Users can discover channels where they can learn something such as the weather for that day, city volunteers depending on your location, niche, specific tips, and more. How to build a business around your WhatsApp channel. Most people don't know about this, but you can actually make money on WhatsApp. And the best part, you don't need a massive following to get started. How to monetize on WhatsApp. Here are some ways to monetize. You can also charge a monthly membership fee for your WhatsApp. WhatsApp is rapidly evolving into more than just a messaging app. Channels represent a new and exciting feature that has the potential to revolutionize the way we communicate. So what do you think of WhatsApp channels? Are you excited to use this feature? Let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Before we end this video, let me introduce to you DoTeam. Build high productivity teams with modern workforce analytics and tracking. Time and productivity tracker that helps your team members deliver the best every day. Take your team to its full productivity levels. Monitoring and work tracking. Remove the frustration from team management and get the full productivity with automatic and effective monitoring of the work done by your team members. Get work done on time, in budget, every time. Execute better with project and task tracking. Unclear about how much your project costs and where to give the credit for your success? DoTeam's project tracking makes things clear. Compliant with privacy laws and fair work ethics. Build a happier team, responsible tracking and monitoring. Protect your organization and build a happier team with a system that is responsible yet transparent. And a lot more. So what are you waiting for? Get DoTeam now. Just go to getdoteam.in. I hope you find this video helpful. And thanks for watching.